The student expected to output a moving arrow with an extending tail, but the code does not compile. She's using a shield, so we know her connections are secure and correspond correctly to the matching pins in the code. All other hardware is fine. The problems are only in code. Here is the code. See if you can find the mistakes. We'll start here with the import. Almost always these libraries have a file extension of .h. Still in the pre-setup, the starting point for columns should be the leftmost column, but that's index 0, not index 1. In the setup, there are two mistakes in the lcd.begin line. Since we created the LCD object with lowercase, we must refer to it in lowercase all the rest of the code. Also, the args that define the dimensions of the device are ordered col then row. You can remember this as the same as Excel. A1 means the col then the row. In the first loop, you'll find a tricky problem. The print command automatically moves the cursor to the next column, so no need to increase the col count here. Here, after the first loop, if you look at the demo of what should be happening, the arrow's tail grows to the end of the row, then disappears and restarts growth on the new line, so a clear is required here. In the second loop, the angle bracket comes before the dash in each loop. Remember that at this point, the cursor is in row 1 and progress is from right to left. Here's a tip. I've said it before, but we'll repeat here. Compile early and compile often. For this project, I would compile after the setup and the print of one character. Then I would add the first loop, compile and test. After that, I would type the second loop and test. For your master's challenge, take a look at some other mistakes in this same project. Look at the code, try to be the first person to post the mistakes.